This is my 2018 Nissan Murano Platinum. It comes from the factory with some 20-inch wheels. There they go. But right before getting rid of it, I decided to try something else. I've got some 21-inch wheels on it. These wheels originally come on the Infiniti FX50, and it doesn't look too bad with the Murano wheels on it, at least from the side. But they're narrow and they're sunken in, don't clear the big brakes. But hey, look at that. You know what? I'll be honest. It's gonna need some time for this look to grow on me. I know the 21-inch wheels, but man, that car just swallows them. It reminds me of the first gen Murano in a way. I don't know if that's in a good way. It's just, you know, OEMs usually pick colors and finishes and designs to match their body lines, and those wheels, as much as they look good on a lot of different things, I'm not sure that Murano is the one. So we'll just look at it from the side. These are 21 inches in diameter, 9.5 inches wide, with an offset of 50. So they're pretty massive wheels. But look at that. The Murano actually swallows them. And this is all subjective. Nothing that I say, you know, it's not. This is not the Bible. Whatever you want, make it work. If they looked good, I would consider it. But again, the 21-inch wheels, which means getting 21 matching tires might be a little funky. But I like the way they sit, not too crazy, you know. So if you like the look, maybe that might be a way to go. But I just wanted to show that. Looks, yeah, that wheel, such a basic design, really ages this body. Takes it so far back to the other Murano, the first gen Murano. As much as I don't like those, you know, sometimes you have to play this game to move things around a little bit, and then you can see and get more appreciation for OEM designs. But as I said, this one here, it works, but they are pretty narrow. It's kind of sunken in. If I'd bolted it, you'd have seen. But these are, is it stamped in the back? Here, here's the size. 20 by 7.5 offset 50. So the other wheel is a whole 2 inches wider, and because the offset is the same, that means it goes inwards 1 inch and outwards 1 inch. So if you're curious as to what spec to get wheels to make them look right on your Murano, maybe that could be a consideration. Whether you're getting 20-inch wheels, 22-inch wheels, I'm thinking that 9.5 with an offset of 50 might be the winning ticket here. But yeah, so I hope this video helps. I like videos like this. I wish people made more videos like this when I try to buy stuff, trying to figure out what cars will go with your wheels or what wheels will go with the cars you're about to buy. All right, that's it.